Good morning. Today's video is a clean with me with a twist because we're not cleaning my house. We're going to clean up Dollar Tree. I know this aisle actually looks really clean and this Dollar Tree is actually very organized and very tidy, but there are a couple areas that we're gonna just tidy up and try to put things where they look like they go. So let's clean Dollar Tree. of course I have to shop too. So, cannot not be in here and not get something. Yes, I just tidied up Dollar Tree. I hope that you guys are going to love this new series because I am going to make this a reoccurring thing, but please do give this video a thumbs up. I want to see your reaction. Let me see like your thoughts in the comment section. I just felt like I owed it, sorry for the shadows, but I felt like I owed it to Dollar Tree because sometimes when I do shop, things tend to fall and sometimes I just don't put things back and I'll just grab the item that I need, and this was really just my way of giving back to them. It was not me trying to say, hey Dollar Tree, you're not like keeping things stocked, because they have so many people coming in and out of this store. It would drive me nuts to constantly have to make things perfect all the time. It'd be like, why even attempt it? I just felt like giving back, and I figured you guys have seen me clean my house so many times, especially on my Vlogmas. All I do is vacuum, and I thought it would be fun to clean someone else's place. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and also insert the items that I got while we're here. No big deal. I got some more coffee cups, 2 more sponges, some rubber gloves, and another one of these candles. I put these in my daughter's advent calendars and she like really loves them. So I got frozen water, and I bought some candy for the game room. I haven't bought candy for the game room in months. So, and the last things are bags. This one is really pretty. Have a very merry holly jolly Christmas. Has like the little farmhouse feel to it. Oh, that's cute. I was not expecting that. And this one I really liked. It's just kind of vintagey with the like the mail stamp theme, which I really have gravitated towards. Like I just love that little stamp and all that. Merry and bright. The front is a bunch of glitter though. It's the only thing. And then the side is, it's okay. I really liked this bag. It's very chic. I love the colors. It definitely goes with my colors. It just says merry, be merry. Oh, the side. Was not expecting that. So I really like that. And the last one, baby, it's cold outside. I think the font in the locations is not like the best they could have done, but overall, I really like it, and I like that the snowman is holding a bunch of mittens. Like, that's just adorable. And I love that his little arms have like bits of tree, like leaves growing on it. So I really like that. That's very different for a snowman that I've ever seen. So I like that visual, or that artwork. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you need to see me clean more Dollar Trees, because I'm going to do it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, and if I don't see you before Christmas time, for those of you who celebrate, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.